Welcome to the NASCAR Subway Cup Series All-Star Race. Season 2 All-Star Race, as I said. Race info. What is the All-Star Race? Showdown race number 1, half the cars not in the All-Star Race. Showdown race number 2, the other half, both one lap. And then 4 transfers from the showdowns, 1 and 2. How to get in. 2 more transfers from fan vote. Now it will be held at the track vote winner, Pepsi Motor Speedway. Here's a couple pictures. Okay, and the pace car vote winner was the 2012 program car. Showdown race number 1 starting lineup. Row 1, Chase Emberson and Tyler Chance. Row 2, Colin Delario and James Simpson. Row 3, Zach Buchanan and Jake Gray. Row 4, DJ Becker and Dave Davis. Row 5, Brock Marshall and Ralph Mal. Whatever. Row 6, Chris Torres. Here's the start. Now it's only 1 lap. There they go. The 17 and the 21 lead them down. As the 21 clears the 17 and the 2 is around. Ooh, hard hit. Showdown number 1 is already over. Here are the transfers from it. Sorry, no replay of the 2's crash. The 17 and the 21 transfer. And then the fan vote, number 1. The 99. Here's showdown number 2, starting lineup. The other half who aren't in yet. Row 1, Tyler Oder and Evan D. Row 2, Marcus Bracolo and Jared Magoon. Row 3, Chris Rickenball, I just put R, and Bob McBob. Row 4, Zach Austin and Rob Bob. Row 5, Joshua Perry and Cameron Smith. Row 6, Jake Bassinger and Halo Dude. Here's the start. Just 1 lap to get into the All-Star race, and the 31 already making it 3 wide, clears the 5 and the 14. And the 31 is a definite transfer. Here are the transfers from the race. The 5 and the 31. And then the fan vote winner. The vote number 2. The 14, Evan D, is now in the All-Star race. Now here's the All-Star race, 10 laps. Here's the starting lineup for it and how they got in. This is a pace car. In the field. First, Bob Marshall, last All-Star race winner and last champion. Second, Levi Scholes, race 1 winner. Levi Shones. Third, Martin Kelly, race 2 winner. Fourth, 42, Gabe Bob, race 3 winner. Justin Perry, race 4 winner. Alex Tranker, race 5 winner. Rob Ruska, race 6 winner. Britt Dooley, race 7 winner. Chase Emberson, transfer. Colin Delario, transfer. Tyler Chance, transfer. Fan vote winner too. Jared Magoon, transfer. Evan D, transfer. And Tyler Oder, transfer as well. Here we go, green flag lap 1 of 10. 29 leads him down and he clears the 25 in the turn 1 and 2 down the back stretch. Oh, the 1! I think he got turned. 'cause this is the place for revenge. Yellow flag lap 2 of 10. Here's a replay. Up high. Oh, the 34 got into him. I think that's revenge from race 5. 34 would have won race 5 if the one didn't get into him. That kind of looks like the 14's crash last year. The only car out was Alex Stranker. The restart lap 3 of 10. There they go. Sorry for the camera shaking. My camera stand's broken. 21 moving up the second now to first. Down the backstretch into turn 3 and 4. Take the lead. I think we're on lap 5. Oh no! Huge wreck. Yellow flag lap 5 of 10. Here's a replay. You see the 47 coming out. Oh, 42 got into the side of him. See the 31 hitting the 47, then the 99 going around to avoid it, slams the wall. Then the 17 gets right up under the 31. The 5 stopped to try and avoid. Cars out, sadly enough. 17, 31, 47, and 99. 3 of our transfers are out. Restart lap 6 of 10. There they go. Looks like the 21 will take the lead. But the 24 is coming right back into turn 3 and 4. And then the 21 slides them out of the way. They just keep Oh, the 24 around. But he saved it. Yellow flag. Again, sorry for the camera shaking. There's the contact right there. See, then he goes up to get back. Restart. Green, white, checkered finish. There they go. Green flag is out. 21's taking the lead, but can he hold it? Because that 24 is fast. Here they come. Last lap. There they go. I think the 24 is going to make a move right there in turn 3 and 4. Can he make it in time? Who won? Replay. The 21 won. Where'd I put who won there? 21 won that. Here's the burnout. So he's got a flag. Here are the finishing positions. First, 21, Chase Emberson. Second, 24, Justin Perry. Third, 29, Bob Marshall. Fourth, 33, Martin Kelly. Fifth, 14, Evan D. The highest finishing transfer, I think. No, the 21 was. Sorry. Sixth, the 5, Tyler Oder. Seventh, the 25, Levi Shones. 8th, 34, Britt Dooley. 9th, 42, Gabe Bob. 10th, 47, Rob Ruska. 11th, 99, Colin Delario. 12th, 17, Tyler Chance. 13th, 31, Jared Magoon. 14th, 1, Alex Stranker. Congrats to Chase Emberson.